Meet John, an SAP consultant in an MNC company. A few years back he was struggling to find a good job. At that time, one of his friends informed him about Vintage IT Solutions' SAP Quality Management training. Seeing the growth and job opportunity in this field, John registered himself in their SAP QM online training course. He saw that the curriculum is aligned with the latest industry trends and real-life scenarios, and got lifetime access to study materials. He was getting trained by the certified and industry-experienced trainers. The best part is that John could learn it from anywhere at any time and can also have 24/7 access to the SAP Sandbox. Vintage IT Solutions provide free demo session, video-recorded lecture, interview preparation, guaranteed placement assistance and many more facilities. Within a span of time, John gained a complete knowledge of the real-time use of SAP QM tools. It has been more than a year since John is using this software as an SAP consultant in a reputed company. So, if you want to learn and secure a high-paying job, contact 13155054440 or browse bestonlinecareer.com for more details.